Hold on to your telescopes, space fans. Jupiter's lightning will blow your mind. Imagine a thunderstorm that could light up an entire planet. On Jupiter, lightning doesn't just flash, it glows a mesmerizing green. Why green, you ask? Scientists believe it's due to the different gases in Jupiter's atmosphere, like methane and ammonia, reacting under immense pressure. These electric spectacles are not just beautiful, but also give us vital clues about the planet's weather and composition. So next time you gaze at the night sky, remember, there's a green light show happening millions of miles away. #Astronomy #space. Keep exploring, space enthusiasts.